Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. Now today, I have a very exciting announcement. Meet Kevin, one of the most influential YouTubers. He's an entrepreneur in real estate. He's an outstanding investor in the stock market and options trading. And he has taught millions of people how to build long-term wealth on YouTube. Now today, Kevin has entrusted me with the release of his new and exciting and very unique cryptocurrency called Meatcoin. Now you may notice that it says M-E-A-T instead of M-E-E-T. Well, somebody already jumped the gun on us and created a Meatcoin, so we had to just change one of the letters, sadly, to make it what it is. But that's okay. So this is Kevin's new cryptocurrency. Isn't that a beautiful coin? Now today, we're going to talk about who I am, because me and Kevin go way back. We're going to talk about Kevin, who he is, what his qualifications are, if you've never heard of him. And we're going to explain to you some of the amazing benefits of this exciting new coin that is going to make everybody that buys it extremely, fabulously wealthy. And then I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide of how to buy this coin. Now, I am so excited about this, ladies and gentlemen, because it was only a matter of time before my buddy Kevin created his own cryptocurrency. And rightly so, because there's so many scoundrels out there that are exploiting people on YouTube. And I really implored Kevin to step in and create his own cryptocurrency to draw all that ill-spent money away from terrible YouTubers, and to have that money spent where it should go, to Meet Kevin's coin. So let's go ahead and dive right into this presentation. And I am thrilled, I am so honored that he gave me the opportunity to present this coin for him on his behalf. That is a beautiful coin. I actually designed that myself. So, to start off, who am I? What am I possibly doing on this presentation? And why is Kevin not here? Well, here's why. Back in the day, me and Kevin went to the same high school. And I don't want to be too detailed, but Kevin had a hard time in high school. He always wore suits to school. He kind of rubbed people the wrong way. I mean, he was still a growing boy, you know, and he's definitely matured into a very trustworthy man. And he just got bullied a lot. People stole his lunch money. People crapped in his backpack, you know, during gym. People would pee into socks and then slap him in the face with it. It was pretty bad. And me being me, I don't like to see people be bullied. And one day I stood up to his bullies and I basically told them to back off or I would punish them. And because they respected me, they finally started leaving Meet Kevin alone. And I'm glad I did that because I could see amazing potential in him. Back then, he was kind of a weirdo. He was a dork. He had pimples and warts, and he was just a very weird, awkward guy. But I knew, I could see deep down that Meet Kevin was one day going to become famous. Not that that was the only reason that I protected him. You know, he is a really good guy to talk to. You know, he's very, you can tell he's a very trustworthy and nice person when you actually meet him in person. But that's who I am. I was his childhood protector. He was getting pummeled in high school. And then eventually, once I stepped in, they stopped. And I'm glad they did. Now, after high school, me and Meet Kevin parted ways. He went into the real estate business. I decided to join the Army. And after 5 years of the Army, I got out and I began my next career as an accountant. So I am a certified public accountant, which is a 4-part exam offered by the AICPA that certifies you to do a bunch of stuff in the accounting realm. And that was tough, but, you know, you compare my success to Meet Kevin's, he's doing pretty well. And I'm really glad for him because I'm a huge fan of him. I'm really proud of you. If you're watching this, Kevin, I'm really proud of you. I think you're a great guy, and I think you're doing outstanding things for everybody. And it almost makes me cry to think about how far you've come. Now, I'm also a long-term Boglehead investor. So I buy total world stock market index funds in tax-advantaged accounts. And that's what I advocate to my fan base. I have a small YouTube channel. I mean, I'm not nearly the size of Meet Kevin. And to be honest, I mean, the guy has a lot of charisma. He's hard to compete with. I'm also an author of a book. It's called Stop Being a Broke Loser. It's on Amazon for $3 for the ebook or $10 for the hardback. Now, how I really got involved in this is that I also got in early on the cryptocurrency craze. I have a minor in advanced computer programming from my college, and I was one of the first people that got into cryptocurrency. I have a pretty broadly diversified portfolio of Shiba Inu, Baby Doge, Bitcoin, all the cryptocurrencies I believe are going to be around in 20 years. Now, I have a lot of experience in crypto mining, and I've actually created a couple cryptocurrencies, and you can go look these up if you don't believe me. So I've created Tulip Coin, which is currently, it started at $1 per coin, and now it's trading at about 40 bucks per coin. So you could have 40x'd. South Sea Coin, another great success, and Nifty 50 Coin. Now, I'm not going to brag here. I'm going to try not to brag, but I know what I'm doing when it comes to cryptocurrency because I've been around the block. So if you question anything, I mean, can you argue with my success? I've created 3 cryptocurrencies. What have you created? And finally, I just wanted to emphasize this. I am fanatically loyal to Meet Kevin. I think he is an outstanding individual. I think he gives great deals on his courses. And I think he really helps investors focus on the long term. I mean, yeah, he does daily live streams on the Market Open, which isn't necessarily a long-term thing, but at least he's getting people involved, okay? Now, let's go ahead and move on to talk about who Meet Kevin is. Now, I kind of embellished this a little bit. He didn't necessarily agree with some of the things I put on here, but, you know, I think this guy has so much potential. He has so much charisma. He has so much style. I mean, I can't even compete with those suits. I mean, look how I dress. So, Kevin is the future governor of California. He is going to clap Gavin Newsom. He is an unstoppable force because he has his YouTube, and on top of his YouTube, once he releases his cryptocurrency, his face is going to be known everywhere in the United States. And that alone, I believe, will project him or, you know, elevate him to become the next governor of California. I truly believe in him. I've actually donated about 30 Tulip coins to his campaign. Now, he's also going to be, in my opinion, the future president of the United States and, of course, the future God Emperor of the world. Now, he didn't say I should put that in there, but you know what, man? I love you, and I think you're going to do great, and I know it's kind of a joke, but I'm really proud of you. Now, his biggest claim to fame is he's a real estate entrepreneur, and he is really good at real estate. I think he has a multi-million-dollar real estate portfolio. He's also a long-term oriented stock investor. Now, the reason I know he's a long-term investor is that he always watches the market open and the market close. He does live streams all the time, and that really helps people focus on how to build long-term wealth. He also has pretty entertaining thumbnails, which some people claim create, you know, fear of missing out and generate greed and fear. But in my opinion, people that weren't investing before, now that they're watching him, they're watching his daily live streams where he watches ticker symbols and short-term fluctuations in stock valuations. That actually helps him invest for the long run. Now, he's also a certified expert stock picker. Now, the reason what really convinced me he was a great investor was his initial investment into Coinbase. Now, Coinbase is basically a cryptocurrency broker where you can go on there, you can buy whatever cryptocurrency you want, and you pay a little bit of fees, but that's fine. And he was one of the first people that really predicted almost a perfect valuation of Coinbase. He said you should buy in at 400, 350, and 300. And he was absolutely right because now Coinbase stock, it's to the moon, ladies and gentlemen. So you cannot deny that he knows what he's talking about. And finally, he's a PhD. He has multiple PhDs. He has a PhD in economics, taxation, and options, all from the University of Pathrath, which is a very prestigious university in Germany. You may not have heard of it, but go look it up. I mean, tuition's pretty crazy there, and there's a lot of experts that come from that university, okay? So this is our man, Meet Kevin, and I'm so proud of you, Kevin. I'm so proud of you. I'm trying not to tear up here. All right, so let's talk about Meatcoin some more. And I can't believe we didn't get the MEET coin first, but some, probably some hater stole it from us. Now, Meatcoin, its main claim to fame is it's a decentralized digital currency. This is basically what every other cryptocurrency is. Now, the really interesting and unique fact about this cryptocurrency is that the coin supply is limited to the number of Meet Kevin subscribers. So I think Meet Kevin is going to continue to grow and to grow and to grow. So if you miss your chance to buy into Meatcoin, the more subscribers he gets, and if you haven't subscribed to his channel, you better do it already. The more subscribers he gets, the more opportunities you get to invest in his coin. Now, this coin has unlimited upside potential with a projected market cap of $20 trillion. Now, I did a very detailed discounted cash flow analysis, which I studied pretty heavily during my CPA exam. And it's inevitable. I mean, the crypto market right now is already $1 trillion. And that's only going to increase over time. And I believe this coin will be the dominant coin because of its special, unique characteristics. So, based on my discounted cash flow analysis of Meatcoin, I think by about 2025, it's going to roughly have a market cap of $20 trillion. So if you invest in this coin right now and you just hold it, you're going to reap some massive rewards. Now, it's also impossible to lose money on this coin. Now, there's a lot of analysis and, stop losses and things that I had to put into this coin because I helped create it that basically make it impossible to lose money. Now, it's too much to go into right now, but I would just say trust me and Meet Kevin. Meet Kevin has millions of subscribers, and he's already a millionaire. So how could he possibly mislead you with this cryptocurrency? So just remember, you're not going to lose your money. You can't miss this opportunity. You can't lose money, and it has unlimited upside potential with a projected market cap of $20 trillion. Everybody is going to be rich. Now, the really cool thing about this cryptocurrency, the minimum value is the current trading price of Tesla stock. So if you think about it, Tesla is at what, $660 today, something like that. So right off the bat, the minimum value of your coin is going to be $600. And since we know that Tesla can only go up from here, because I think it's going to take over every single car company in the world. I mean, if your minimum is the same price as Tesla stock, you're going to at least 4x, even if the coin doesn't go anywhere. Now, another cool feature, all transactions have a burn rate of 5%. So every time you buy and sell, you're going to lose 5% of your coins. But the amazing benefit, and this is going to really kind of make Tesla stock's valuation a self-fulfilling prophecy, is that burned coins are automatically invested in fractional shares of Tesla stock. Find me one coin that does this. This is a massive opportunity that you cannot miss. Now, here's another thing. Even though you may be a subscriber, you actually have to buy one of Meet Kevin's courses. And they're reasonably priced. I mean, he charges like, what, $700 for his stock course? I mean, you gotta spend money to make money. You know what I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen? Now, if you want to buy his course, you got to use his coin. Okay, he's not going to be accepting US dollars anymore. So if you want to learn more about his expert knowledge, I mean, he's got multiple PhDs, okay, and he's a millionaire. How could he possibly not know what he's doing? You have to use this coin. Now, he wanted me to put this in here. You get you a 40% discount code, Truck Stop Life, expiring soon. So if you haven't already, go sign up for his coin, go to his website, go ahead and buy his course, and enter the code TruckStopLife, and you'll get a 40% discount. You can't beat it, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. All right. Now, here's how you actually go and buy Meatcoin. There's a couple steps you have to take because it's still kind of a new currency, and pretty soon it'll be listed on Coinbase. But right now, here's a step-by-step guide of how to buy this currency. So first, you need to download PancakeSwap. And I've actually included another video where I walk step-by-step through this in the description of this video. So you need to download PancakeSwap and you need to invest your initial dollars fiat in Shiba Inu. Now, Shiba Inu is another amazing cryptocurrency. It's not as good as Meatcoin, but I believe it has massive, massive potential. So before you buy Meet Kevin coin, you actually have to go and buy Shiba Inu coin because it's more of an established coin. And then you can actually convert that into Meatcoin later. So once you buy your Shiba Inus with your fiat dollars, which we all know fiat's trash, you're going to transfer your Shiba Inus to CaGov Wallet, California Gov Wallet. Link in the description, or it's right below. All right. Once you have your wallet, open the wallet, and in the search bar, and it's all in the video, enter the code 10x 420x 69x YOLO into the conversion dropdown. Now, here's the key. You need to be really careful with this, ladies and gentlemen, because if you tap the screen the wrong amount of times, nothing's going to happen. But once you type in that code, you need to tap the screen just anywhere on the screen, it doesn't matter, 69 times. So make sure you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, because one mistake and you got to do it all over again. And trust me, I know. Now, once you tap the screen 69 times, wait about 5 seconds, and then you'll have another window pop up. And it'll have an execute button. Now, once that button pops up, just hit the button. Don't worry about it. This button will execute the inverse pancake teacup handle protocol swap, which I have an acronym because it's just a lot to type. Now, once you do that, there's an additional step. You need to go to Webull and get your 2 free stocks with the code TruckStop, okay? Because if you don't go to Webull and get your 2 free stocks, number one, you're missing free money. And number two, you actually have to take a snapshot of your stocks and you have to upload it into the inverse pancake teacup handle protocol swap interface. Because once that happens, then you can initiate your actual purchase of Meatcoins. Now, once you upload the image and you have to take a screenshot of your 2 free stocks in Webull, you wait 420 seconds. All right, so make sure you're timing it. You know, I'm trying to cut that down, but right now, 420 is basically the shortest that we can wait to have all this transferred, because we have to actually look and verify that you actually got your 2 free stocks from Webull. Now, once you get verified, which will take probably about 420 seconds, your Meatcoins will be then delivered into your wallet, okay? That's it, ladies and gentlemen. This is all you have to do. And you're going to be part of this amazing, exciting opportunity that you can't miss out. Now, Kevin, for one last time, I am so proud of how far you've come. You went from basically a little dork that was getting bullied and abused in high school, and now you're one of the most successful YouTube entrepreneurs. And I am so proud to call you my friend. I wish you all the best. I truly believe in your project, and I think you're going to take all of your fans to the moon, which is a extremely noble thing. Now, that's it for now, ladies and gentlemen. Kevin also said to please like and subscribe to my channel, because me and him will probably do a couple live streams in the future, maybe catch up, see how our lives are going. But I really appreciate it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm really excited for this, and I think this is going to really take us all to the moon. Now, you guys have a wonderful day.